Hey guys, bringing you an unboxing today. Sorry that I don't have a shirt on, I just got done running, but my boxes just got here. I just ordered these boxes a couple of days ago. I ordered off Airsoft GI, they have really fast shipping. But I got the 2 days, so. Oh my god. It's an MP5. Oh shit. Let me open this up real quick. Got a t-shirt. That's not fitting me. God damn, that's pretty freaking cool. Damn, dude. And it has a flash hider. So, you get all your rails so you can mount everything. It's blowback. It says blowback. I know it's over here, but... Alright, there it is. It's pretty dope. That's freaking sick. What's the FPS? Actually, I don't know the FPS. Alright, I don't know the FPS. But, good for me. Alright, this is my other box of like accessories. Don't cut towards yourself. I'm doing that, I don't know why. God, there's like 4 boxes in one. Oh my god, that's so sick. Safe face mask. That's pretty sick. That's freaking awesome right there. Another t-shirt? Jesus. Then here's the double barrel shotty. God damn. Yo! Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.